Catalina Island is an island from the coast of California in the south. The island is also known as Santa Catalina. Many native bird species live within the island. Island's hummingbird have to drink nectar almost every couple of minutes to have energy to fly fast. Their throats are called gorgets, which is a red color. Color of the feathers is a mixture of black, gray, orange, green, red, and white. Anytime they're around good nectar, Allen's hummingbird defends the tasty sweet syrup from hummingbirds. They are small birds that fly for the winter, which means they are migratory. Allen's hummingbird gets nectar with long black tongues. Their favorite flowers are scarlet sage, red monkey flower, and gooseberry. Anytime when they be resting or flying, their heart beats faster. American coots have toes that are more webbed. They are great swimmers and divers. American coots are known to use to shake their tail feathers in order to keep their balance while flying. They are also known as waterfowl. They got gray patch on top of their bill. And American coot's feathers are gray, black, and white tail feathers. American coots are mid-sized birds that are 40 centimeters. Another name they go by is mud hens. Their favorite habitat is in wetlands with fresh water. Black phoebes have feathers that are brown, black, and white. Their homes are in nests that are round, made out of mud, attached to walls. The place is called coverts. Black phoebes like living near the water. They got a unique song that they would sing over and over again. Black phoebes got another name they go by, which is flycatchers. They are medium-sized birds that are 50 centimeters and weigh around 21 grams. Northern flickers are mid-sized birds that are woodpeckers. During the daytime, they be in groups searching for food. Northern flickers are diurnal animals, which means they are daytime animals. They walk on the ground in wooded areas and also look for food that way. Their food they eat is insects. Color of their feathers are pink, black spots with a half circle patch in front of them and black and pink tail feathers. On top of their heads is a red patch. They also eat fruit that's on branches of trees. North flicker size is 10 inches tall. Orange crown warblers have mainly orange feathers with patches of gray and yellow. Orange crown warblers stay down south during the winter in the United States. They also eat insects. Orange crown warblers are highly sociable. They're in groups called flocks. Their homes stay low to the ground and be on bushes and low trees. Orange crown warblers are small birds that are 120 millimeters. Rock pigeons are also known as rock doves. Rock pigeons can be well adapted to all kinds of land all over the world. Rock pigeons were brought to the U.S. by Europe. They communicate by making a sound coo, and rock pigeons got round bellies with small heads and small legs. Their diet consists of seeds and grains. Rock pigeons' feathers are a mixture of blue and gray, and they are medium-sized birds around 35 centimeters.